Yo, I think I'm recording now. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I am gonna be live. Well, not live. I'm gonna be recording my trading session. So, hold on. I'm also streaming on Discord, so I gotta make sure everything's alright. Um, okay, I think everything is good. Um, yeah, so we'll see what today looks like. Hold on, there's a few indicators I wanted to look at. Mm, Alright, so hold on. Sorry, I'm just checking this. So, is there a new week opening gap up here? I don't see one. So we kind of have a new week opening gap down there. Hold on, let me make sure my shit is on Discord. Hello? No. Hello? Bro, why is it not showing up? There it is. Hello? Cool. Or we're just gonna post for the Discord really quickly. Alright, so we have market open here in like about 10 minutes. So, yeah, I guess we'll just wait for that. I have so many indicators up here. Mm, wait, what is this? Is this opening gaps plus equal highs? I think this is the one that I need. Alright, I gotta I gotta post this on my Instagram. Wait, oh, Forgot. Alright, so let's see. It looks like we're about to close bullish on the 4 hourly. If we do, probably gonna go up to these highs or these highs on the 4 hourly. So that's probably where we're gonna go. We're probably gonna go here today if we manage to close above this. 1 hour. Hold on. Sorry, I just gotta make sure my OBS is working well. Sick. Okay. Alright. Cool. And then, yeah, we got more fair value gaps. We need to break up here. 1 hour is looking pretty bullish. If we close above that, 30 minutes. So I guess in 30 minutes we'll figure out. We'll figure out. But yeah, so we have a new week opening gap down here. Honestly, I don't know what's gonna happen since I don't know, the whole thing with the U.S. president and stuff is just crazy, or the Venezuelan president. So we're gonna just mark this out um, down here. What is this? Is this from Friday? Oh, never mind. New week opening gap. And if anyone is watching this VOD like after I guess like you're trying to study, just leave a comment down below. I'll answer any questions. Um, but yeah, pretty much yeah. I feel like that's all I gotta say. All right, we got open in 5 minutes. We'll see what happens. I would like to see maybe like this target get hit, like if we want to keep going up. I don't know, but I mean, it seems like we're bearish on the higher time frame. If we manage to go down here, I don't know. We're playing reactionary. That's just how I do. I feel like um, playing reactionary is pretty good. Um, we got fair value gaps up there. But 2 minutes. We could always just inverse this too. Let's look at the session highs and lows. I need to turn that on because see London low. Okay, so Asia. Ooh, so Asia low is right on this new week opening gap. So if we manage to get somehow down here during market open, that would be crazy. Crazy trade to take off from. But honestly, I don't really have many targets. I got London low down here that I would like to get. London low. Um, we'll target Asia low too, or we'll mark out Asia low because I don't really like this red and blue thing. It's kind of too distracting. Asia high that really Asia high? Or I mean London high. Okay. Alright, so we'll turn that off now. But yeah, we're really high up to be honest, so we do kind of want to go a little bit lower before we take something, especially if it's a long. Unless we close above this in 30 minutes, then I don't mind. All right. See, I hope I don't sound too far. I think that should be good. Just tired. All right. Open in like less than 2 minutes. So if we do get a trade, I'll enter on my Apex PAs or my Apex PA and my top step. We'll see. We'll see the quality of the trade. If it's an A plus setup, definitely gonna enter on both. But if it's like A minus ish, we'll see. Probably just enter on my top step. I do want to max out allocation on, or not max out allocation, but max out what's the word? Like accounts on Top Step, and then once I max out accounts on, once I pass Apex accounts and Tradify accounts, what is it, Tradify? No, Alpha Futures. Once I pass Alpha Futures and Apex accounts, I'm gonna be maxing out on Top Step because I want to like kind of forget about that firm, like passive accounts, forget about that firm, and then you know the only time I have to think about that firm is when I trade. So, but I already have the Apex and the Alpha Futures just in case Top Step goes down again. Which, dude, they've been going down a lot, man. They've been going down a lot. But yeah, we're just going up. Honestly, we're just going one direction, dude. Oh man, if I got in here, could have been a good entry for sure. Yeah, that would have been a solid entry. All right, open. We just tap the market open. See what happens. And we're just exploding up. All right. So that means we're probably might go up here. Honestly, we'll see. Did that mess up with my OBS recording? Okay. Sorry, I accidentally like moved the tab. I'm hoping I'm not washed at trading right now, cause like it's been a bit. It's been a bit. It's been 2 weeks exactly. 2 weeks since I've been trading, dude. So I might be a little washed. Might be a little bit. Or if we like go at this with full momentum, honestly, I probably would take this. Cause it seems like we got a lot of like, what is it? I mean, low resistance. I mean, it's a little too high. A little too. What's the word? Yeah, honestly, whoa. This is some crazy momentum right here. Oh my gosh. Alright. Oh, wait, never mind. Let's see. Dude, oh my gosh. It's like, we're kind of bullish, but we're also having a lot of crazy momentum. If we close it down this, under this, oh my gosh. Okay. Good thing we waited for the candle. candle closure. Unless this could be an order block here, but yeah, I would rather just wait. Oh my gosh, dude, what the heck? Alright, I guess we're dumping. Guess we're dumping. That could have been a crazy trade if I took that before the candle closed, but I would rather wait for the confirmation because to me that's the extra confirmation, extra confluence. Usually if there's a inverse fair value gap, you want to wait for the candle closure below. That one did have a lot of momentum, but you know, we also bounced up really quickly, so that's kind of what made me not want to get into the trade. If we kind of just kept going a little bit down and then close the candle, then yeah, but I didn't like that. Okay, so we got a, so it doesn't seem like we're going to bounce off of this. So usually what I like to look for is I like to look for like liquidity sweeps paired with a fair value gap. Now usually you can combine a fair value gap. If there's one right here and one right here, or one right here and one right here, combine them both. Let's see. And then we could get a setup here. Oh my gosh, dude, that momentum is crazy. Alright, I might end up buying here. Oh, nope, candle close above. Alright, wait for the 30-second. Oh my gosh. I do like how price is moving very quickly. I like that a lot. I like not having to wait a gajillion years for a trade. Yeah, so this one's probably invalid. We just close out of it. Oh frick, I forgot to charge my phone last night, dude. Phone's at 12%. Alright. Seems like we're not bouncing off of there. We're not going to go up there. So another point of interest would be down here. I mean, could bounce off of this, maybe this. We'll see. It would have to be a good setup though. We are kind of aggressively dumping. Alright, nice. Swept that. Let's see if we get something. Alright, probably not. Honestly, I think we're just going to keep going to the new week opening gap. Because that is a very crazy good draw on liquidity. Especially since we had so much news on the Venezuela stuff, dude. Like, that's crazy. I know there's hella orders down there. Oh, dang. Okay. Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm gonna probably buy here. Oh my gosh. Alright, 2, 1. Alright, I bought on my top step. Alright, and oh, what the heck? I did not buy on my top step, I lied.
Order filled.
Alright, let's see. We're on MNQ, bro. Oh my gosh, I meant to click 3. Bro, why is it doing this?
Order filled.
Alright, so we're filled here. I was trying to get filled up there, but we'll put the stop loss right above this IFEG. Oh my gosh. Is there a... Bro, what the heck? Alright, so we're gonna put our break even right here, and then we'll target like this probably. So let's see. So how much, I'm trying to see like how much my, okay, I'm just gonna flatten all. I'll just flatten all once we get up there. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, so we have this, and then we have this liquidity sweep that I like. Oh, and it seems like we're gonna get stopped out. Alright, I'm getting out right there. Hold on, I'm gonna wait for the close, because I'm on MNQ, so it won't show me my P&L. Yep, closing out right there.
Order filled.
Alright, so let's see. We lost 76 bucks? Oh, bro, I was on my practice account. Bro, oh my gosh. I just realized, dude. I was on my practice account. Bro. Okay, well, I guess that saved us a loss, but um well, I mean, I'm kind of fine with that because we kind of got a very late entry. So I'm not really upset about that. Um but yeah. Yeah, cuz I might have set my break even like somewhere around here. I'm not sure if there's like a fair value gap somewhere. Yeah. Okay, whatever. I'm fine with that loss. Especially since it's on a practice account, so we don't lose any money today. But I will do this. Alright, so let's just keep dumping here. Honestly, if we can get this, this would be peak. This would be peak trade right here. Bounce off of that, but like I said, new week opening gap. Yeah. Dude, this trade from up here would have been killer though. Right here. If we just got the close right there, dude. Been crazy. Could have been crazy. Is there anything for us here? I mean, there's a tiny IFEG, but it's really small. I don't like it. I guess it's the only one, but we are in huge discount for sure. Like if I show you like this would be good. This would be a good trade. We swept this. Swept this, swept a low. Like, come on, man. It'd be clean setup. And like, just look at that, bro. Like, look how much we pushed out of this. Oh crap! All right, we might get an order here. All right, wait for the 30-second. Wait, it's on 30-second. Okay, 9 seconds. 6. Oh my gosh, I just hit my break even already.
Order rejected.
Bro, what? Contract limits? Bro, what? Is that why it's rejecting? Bro, what is my contract? Oh, 3? Dude, I need to take that off. Alright, well, now it's a little late for that entry, but I guess we'll see how it ends up playing out. We might get a short, honestly, here. Let's see. Do we have a fair value gap here? We did tap into this fair value gap here, I think. There's a 5-minute right here. I don't know. We've just been dumping all day, so if I were to get a short, I would not be upset. We've only gotten like one good short today, and it wouldn't have failed. Dang, bro, I could have entered in that. Alright, so that one trade I did take earlier, I'm going to count it as a trade, I guess. So next trade I take, I will get off after that. Hmm. Damn. Oh, we will. We probably might get a. Oh, we could get a 5-minute. 5-minute. What is it called? Inverse. 2-minute. Okay, so close above on the 2-minute. What about the 5-minute though? I wouldn't mind taking that. Probably just target up here. But stop loss around this candle closure. Dude, no wonder my thing wasn't working. I literally was being stupid. I had a freaking order limit. I'm still trying to figure out my risk. I should probably create a button for flat and all. I'll probably create that after though. Hopefully it was happening on a smaller time frame. Alright. If this close above, might get in this. I feel like there's a pretty good draw on liquidity. Let's see. Do we have any unfilled hourlies? I mean, like I did say, if we do close above this, which, ooh, what the heck is that? That wick is crazy. Oh, we still have this giant fair value gap. That's insane. Is there another entry here? Alright, if we manage to close below this, I might get in this. I don't like the, I guess the risk to reward, but we'll see. Seems like we're rejecting really hard. One. Oh, bro.
Order rejected.
Dude, what? What about now?
Order rejected.
Bro, why is it not, why is it rejecting my orders? Bro, oh my gosh. That's stupid. Oh, that's so stupid, dude.
Order filled.
Alright, now we're in here. We're in here. We're gonna put our stop loss above here. We're just gonna target a 1 to 1 or 1.2. Freak, dude. We did kind of hit the break even already. Well, this is a new break even. Damn, bro. That's insane. Ah, damn. Well,
Order filled.
that sucks. Alright, well, that's pretty much it, guys. We got a what, $200 loss on the day. Yeah, honestly, not the best trade, but it's fine, you know. Just a $200 loss. It happens. You're gonna lose. You're not always gonna win every trade. Um, honestly, it's first day back, so you know it is what it is. Today was a little bit weird, man. Like we kind of like dumped, and then we kind of chopped, went up, and just dumped again. I don't know, but it is what it is. I'm not too worried about it, but yeah, you know that's just how it is, man. But trading, you have to already accept that you've lost, and when you can accept that you've lost, well, that's when you start winning, bro. That's when you start winning. Dude, oh my gosh, bro. What is like this setup right here? Nah, I'm not. I'm gonna get off that chart, bro. Get me off that chart. Today, you know, it's a Monday. I mean, gonna be first day of the week with all that crazy news and stuff, you know, so stuff's gonna happen. Um, but yeah, I mean, it is what it is. All we can do. Ooh, bro, why is it? I don't know why it's like being blurry, but yeah, can't do much about it, guys. So yeah, it is what it is. But if you guys did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, subscribe. Yeah, lost the P&L for today is 208. So I lost 208 today. Um, we're about like 1,077 still on my top step. Um, if we do win 4 more days, which let's say we do, that would probably put us at about 2,000. So I think that's what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to go for that 2,000 mark, and then once I get that 2,000 mark, yeah, honestly, yeah, just gonna request like a $500 payout probably, and then only request $500 payouts until I build a good enough buffer where I guess I'm above 2,000 and I'm taking payouts at like let's say 3,000 or 4,000, and yeah, but yeah, pretty much, dude. What is this? Okay, I really need to log off this chart, man. I do not want to be on here. Yeah, luckily we didn't lose anything on our apexes. We still have those. We're gonna pass those next next week. Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna pass them eventually. I don't know. January 13th. CPI. We're gonna do the method, and then the alpha futures as well. We're also gonna do the method for that. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It's gonna be crazy. But yeah, honestly, I probably won't trade those. Probably shouldn't trade those um, until I pass the apex. So I'm gonna log out of that on my trading view next time. But yeah, only Top Step. We're gonna pass the account, and we're only gonna like. I think Alpha Futures has a rule where you have to trade one trade a week, but only Top Step and Alpha Futures. All right, we're not gonna trade the apexes until like I feel more confident, I guess, because the goal is to just have them. And if I do find like a really crazy, like insane setup, then yes, I will trade those, and I will probably risk like 4 to 5 micros on them. I think that's what I'm gonna do though, 5 micros, because I think that's a good risk size, I would say. But yeah, I feel like there isn't really much else for me to say. Trying to think if there's anything else I need to say. But yeah, this is gonna be like my first video, first time also streaming in the Discord. Not first video, but like I guess first video where I'm actually just like live in the Discord. And but yeah. So if anybody has any questions on YouTube, I mean, feel free to ask. Yeah, I mean, I'll answer any question. But yeah, so honestly, really, I mean, the trade today, it is what it is. I'll journal it later because, I mean, I have a job to go to, which sucks. I have to go to a job. All right. Anyways, I keep saying anyways, dude. I don't even know, like, I don't know if there's anything else for me to say. Well, yeah. Just leave your questions down below. I'll answer them. And yeah, that'll be it for me. Honestly, let me show you guys my chart. I want to show you guys my freaking dude. I can't even remember the name, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at making videos. Okay, so I'm gonna do this daily thing where I show off my trades. I show off, the week. So let's see. Oh my gosh, dude, it's always doing that blurry ass thing, bro. Why am I blurry, dude? Like, stop making me blurry. Alright, so window capture. So gonna show my window. Okay. We're gonna full screen that. Is it not showing? Why is it doing that? Bro, what? Which window is it showing? Bro, why is it doing that? Why is it being weird? Oh, that's really strange. Okay, cool. All right, so this is the P&L for the day. So we're down -208 for the month, which is good because this is what I I know what I risk now. So now I know what to risk. So yeah. 208 for the month so far. But we're still up 1,000. I still have a balance of 1,000 on my account. So we're gonna try to like get 4 more winning days, and then once I get the 4 more winning days, I'll request a $500 payout, max out on Top Step, with the January 13th method. I'm hoping I can, get 4 winning trades within this, which it will be kind of hard. One, two. I'll have to like get 2 trades here and then one on different. I don't know, dude. We'll see. Hopefully it's a good week. I mean, we have a lot of red folder news. Um, but yeah, like red folder news will definitely help. It kind of sucks that red folder news for me is like at 8, because when red folder news is at 8, that just means like, you know, yeah. I usually go to my job at 9 and I have to get ready around 8, so it's kind of stupid. But my job is holding me back, bro. Job is holding me back. But yeah, you can see my positions that I took. Yeah, so 208 here. And then, yeah, we'll see how the rest of the week goes, rest of the month. At the end of the day, I think I'll end up the month green, so I don't care about this loss. I actually flattened my position, which is crazy because like before I probably would have let it run. I probably would have been like, "Ooh, it's gonna go back, it's gonna go back." But no, man, I don't want to do that. I don't. I'm trying to win, bro. I'm trying to win. My goal here is to preserve my capital. So I have 5 more trades that I could lose, um, until I blow my account, which probably not gonna happen. Honestly, I don't know about the trade today. The trades today kind of felt a little sus. Um, but I thought they were really good. I thought that there's a lot of momentum behind them. I like the momentum. Honestly, that's one of my big things. I like momentum, and just seeing the momentum, I was like, oh well, this got to be good. But yeah, I think the other days will be better. We'll see. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna head out now. I'll. Can you stop being so stupid, bro? All right. Well, I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Take care.